Hello, I'm Ann Byrne, and welcome to Prepare to Pass ABA Q&A. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the ABA Q&A. I'm Ann Byrne, the creator of the Prepare to Pass BCBA exam prep program, and this is the ABA Q&A term of the day. So when it comes to passing the BCBA exam, developing fluency with the terms is the best way to study for the exam. It is your number one ticket to putting this exam behind you. So in these videos, we give you a process to approach the vocabulary. We start off with a definition, followed by a plain English translation of that definition. Then we follow that with what I call the whittle, where we whittle it down to 3 to 5 words. What follows that is an example and then a mnemonic. So today's term is methodological behaviorism. The definition of methodological behaviorism is a philosophy that views behavioral events that cannot be observed as outside the realm of science. Now, I'm often asked what's the difference between methodological behaviorism and radical behaviorism. And within the definition, there's still an acknowledgement that behavior can be analyzed in terms of controlling variables in history and biology, just like radical behaviorism. But a plain English definition of methodological behaviorism is that all behavior may be explained by what we've learned and how we're made, but if we can't observe it, we probably shouldn't be making assumptions about what those controlling variables are. So just because something is a behavior does not mean it's appropriate for study. So your whittle would be study observable only. The behaviorism philosophy focuses on studying observable phenomena. So as an example, I talk about the 10 rule. Now, the 10 rule is something that I don't always do successfully, but I love it when I do. So the 10 rule means if you're a working mom, as I am, you should decide what you're having for dinner and how it's getting on the table. If it's a work day, then you should decide by 10 p.m. the night before. And if it's a home with the kids day, you have until 10 a.m. that day. But you have to make a decision by 10 o'clock what you're having for dinner and how it's getting on the table. Now, the target behavior here is making a decision. Is it something that is a behavior? Is it something that an organism does? Yes. But can it be observed by anyone but me? No, because we're going to call for Chinese food is making a decision. But no one would necessarily be able to observe me doing that. So I could do a self-management program to try and increase my frequency of following the 10 rule. That would probably be a good idea. But the only person who would be able to observe that would be me. So for anyone else to study how often I'm following the 10 rule would not be terrifically responsible. So your mnemonic could focus on the word method. So method is, of course, how to do something. So when it comes to methodological behaviorism, we do what we know how to do. So mainly behavior analysts know how to observe behavior. And nobody really knows how to guess or read minds or figure out what someone's thinking. If it can't be observable, we can't really know. So we do what we know how to do. We know how to observe behavior. So if you're looking for more tips, please visit our website at preparetopasstheaba.com. Also, please check us out on Facebook. We have a lot of resources on our Facebook page. We also have a vocab study group that you could join, so check that out as well. Thank you so much for watching and happy studying.